Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. One second. Alright, good morning, good morning, good morning. Alright, let's get it. Okay, so it looks like we broke the 15 already here. We can possibly sell off the open. I'd want to see a retracement here first. That'd be nice. That'd be perfect if we can see a pop. ES is right at the overnight lows. ES is right at the overnight lows. NQ hasn't hit it, still has about 50 points. Big range, so please size down, bro. Is it my eyes or is it my glasses? Glasses, bro. Let's see if we can pop to 28,695 on NQ. Bro, isn't it time? Come on, 28,695. We broke the overnight lows on the ES here. We're retesting the 5-minute imbalance here. Imbalance tap here. Retest the 5. Retest the overnight lows. It's a 1-minute rejection of that imbalance. I'm gonna take some starter sells here on NQ. Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can ride these to 28,520. Nice, 10 points. $20 points here. And about to go break even. I'm gonna set break even stops. 65 is my break even. $25 points here. $30 points here. Nice, 40 points here. Move down your stop. Move down your stop and we're done for the day already. Beautiful day. Easy morning. What a read. What a read. Took it off the 5-minute setup versus a 15 just because I saw ES momentum retesting the overnight lows. Saw we broke on the 1 minute for continuation. Came to retest the imbalance. Very good. 50 points here. What a beautiful trade. $60 points here, guys. What a day. Move down your stops, deep in profits. We're done for the day. A banger green week. 100% win rate on the week. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. 90 points. 90 points here. Come on. Move down your stops. Move down your stops. Come on. Give us 100 here. Give us 100. Boom. We finished in 4 minutes off the market open. 4 minutes and we're done for the day. 100 points here. Beautiful. Beautiful. That was, look at this. This is beautiful. What a fucking entry. What an entry. TP1 into 1 of 4, and then TP2 right here. 110 points here. One con is cooking, huh? We're up like $200 on one con at that point. Nice, nice. 120 points here. Let this run, guys. Let this run. TP1 here. I am gonna sell some. This is overnight lows. And moving down my stop, and I'm happy for the day. Whatever happens, I am happy here. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day, guys. 1 second. Yeah, ready? Hold on. Yeah, ready? 5-minute workday today. Can I see some W's, please? Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. 100% win rate for the week. We finished nice. What a banger. What a banger, man. Banger week. Alright. Well, whatever you want to do now, that's up to you guys. I am done for the day. I'm done here. Do you by any chance teach how to trade? Yeah, I do. Also during live, like right now, I usually say why I get in, stuff like that. But there's a lot of free videos that I upload on YouTube. You can go watch those to start off to learn how, or you can join my Discord community. But first things first, I always tell everyone, go try the free route, see if you can learn from me, see if I fit your style, and then if I do, then you can sign up to the Discord. But first things first, go try it out for free. How do we get in your trial for mentorship? Right now there's no mentorship to next year, and there's never any trial for mentorship. There was a trial for the Discord community, but not for mentorship. You can, like I said, same thing to the other person. You can watch the YouTube videos, see if I fit your style. If I do, you can sign up to the Discord. That's where I post the recaps and overviews daily. That's where I teach, how to trade and all the 9 yards. A beautiful trade. Jordan Vera, it's the YouTube. I watch your videos already. I know someone in your Discord. I saw a 10-day. Yeah, that 10-day is no longer available. People mess it up for other people. People were making fake emails. People made up to 10 accounts just to be able to get different days. So they ruined it for everyone else. So I don't like doing free shit. There's always that one person that messes it up. TP2 just hit here. We should continue down lower as ES hasn't hit the daily low nor the previous week low. So 150 points here. We still have a lot of room down here, especially because ES just retested the imbalance. So we should see a lot more room here. I want to see the overnight low break within the next 6 to 8 minutes, and we could definitely continue lower. Crazy work off one con. Yep. Could you go over those confluence points all in a 5-minute ES momentum? Yeah. You guys want me to show you why I took that trade? Okay, so first things first that I saw, coming into the market open today, I saw that this was a push up, and we retested the hourly sell side liquidity that we broke, right? And hold on, 170 points here, guys. So what I saw was a retracement of that same hourly low, while I also saw a double top here. So what it came to do here was sweep that liquidity, retest the break of structure, and then continue lower. So why did I take entry here instead of waiting for the 15-minute imbalance? Okay, so in this situation, I saw that we broke the 15-minute low here, right? So I saw I saw that we broke the 15-minute low right here, right? So for me, it was like, okay, we have the confirmation to continue lower on the 15-minute now. So now my job is to find a piece of confluence that can give me conviction to continue lower or give me an entry, right? 190 points here, guys. Hold on, I'm moving my stop and I'll continue explaining. I'm moving my stop to 525. All right, anyways, so I went to the 5-minute. Although I know I had this 15-minute imbalance up here that I wanted to take, right? I did see that we had this 5-minute imbalance here. So the reason I took the entry here was because my risk was going to be entry here at 65 and my stop loss was going to be close above the 5-minute. So worst case scenario, even if it tapped into the 15-minute imbalance, I needed to see stay below the 5-minute high to be able to still be valid, right? 200 points here, guys. Okay, and then if we look at ES, what ES came to do at this point was ES came to retest the overnight lows. And I always say, if it comes to retest, if it breaks the overnight lows and retests, that's a sign that it just wants to continue lower from overnight, right? So then I went to the 1 minute and I looked at it here. The 1 minute on ES came to retest the 1 minute imbalance, but most importantly, it had a little buy to sell, right? Buy to sell model. And then I saw that the 1 minute low broke for continuation. So if this would have held, I would have entered NQ. But since it broke the low for continuation and it came to retest and it filled the whole imbalance, then that's strong confirmation for me that we should continue lower into the next lows, which in this situation for NQ, taking the entry here, my low was the overnight low because we haven't swept it yet. We already swept and broke it on ES, but we haven't swept it or broke it on NQ. So that was my entry there into overnight lows and then into the daily low we have down here on NQ. Does that make sense, everyone? Pretty simple setup. Honestly, this is the 4 steps I teach, but it's simple support and resistance here, to be honest. That's it. Nice, Jenny Young. But yeah, so hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Yo, thank you guys. 1.6 likes already. Sheesh. So like for instance here, right? We broke the overnight low on NQ. So this is a great sign for continuation. Right now you see a 1 minute retracement on ES and I'm pretty sure we're probably right at the optimal, right? The premium. So we rejected the premium. So the 4 steps is step 1, break. Step 2, order block and imbalance. So order block, imbalance. Step 3, fib. Step 4, retest, which is happening. And then your risk is just this high on the 1 minute here. So your risk to reward here is amazing on ES, right? This is your entry. Let's say this is your entry, that's your stop loss, close above that your stop loss, and then you target the daily low. This is off the 1 minute. Let's go look at the 5 minute though. 5 minute did tap. Yeah, so this 1 minute you'd want to see it stay below this high here. And let's go look at NQ. NQ is also retesting the 1 minute here, right? So as long as ES stays below this 1 minute low, 1 minute high here, stays below the overnight low here, it should continue lower into the daily low. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Look at that. Nice rejection so far. Beautiful. I can't make this up, guys. It's like right in your face every single time. The 4 steps over and over and over. Just look at that rejection. Very, 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 very beautiful. So pretty much you want to see ES come down all the way to this daily low, which is very doable. There you go. Look at that. Look at that sell-off. Beautiful. And then ES filled the whole imbalance here. Yeah, this should just continue lower. You took it? Nice. Good job. There you go. I hate the monthly low. I feel you guys have but yeah. Alright, TikTok. I'll catch you guys next week. Peace out. Take care. Hopefully you guys bank. Please tag me on the socials. Other than that, deuces.